Let's make a cheap and easy flower crown. I got almost all of these materials from the Dollar Tree, so you can easily make this on a budget. I got some wired rope, E6000 glue, but you can use the glue from the Dollar Tree, and some different fake flowers. You will also need a pair of scissors. First thing is we're going to measure the rope to our head for the crown. Now that you've cut out the excess rope, you have the nice structure for your crown. E6000 is a super glue and I recommend using it in well ventilated areas, but if you have a hot glue gun, that will work perfectly as well for this project. Next, snip all the flowers off of your plants. I would give it about 1 inch of space down the vine to cut so that you can wrap it around your crown. Now you got a bunch of cut flowers. Cut off the leaves as well. This is going to be a filler in between your flowers. We're going to arrange our flowers on our crown. Once you have your crown arranged the way you like it, take your E6000 or your hot glue and get to work.